Hello everyone, a very good evening. So last lecture में we were discussing about area under curve. हमने देखा था कि अगर हमारे पास दो कर्व्स है तो हम उन दो कर्व्स से जो एरिया बाउंड होता है उसे कैसे निकाल सकते हैं और इसी पे हम कुछ illustrations डिस्कस कर रहे थे. So let us continue and discuss more illustrations based upon area under curve. So next illustration लिखिए. The next illustration says we have to find the area between the curves y equals to ln x plus e and x equals to ln 1 upon y and x axis. So हमें इन दो कर्व्स और x एक्सिस ने जो एरिया बाउंड किया है उसकी वैल्यू पता करनी है. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन. हमने देखा था कि जब भी दो कर्व्स दी हो तो द बेस्ट वे वुड बी कि सबसे पहले हम उन दो कर्व्स को प्लॉट कर ले बिकॉज दैट विल गिव अस अ रफ आइडिया ऑफ द लिमिट्स दैट वी शुड यूज इन फाइंडिंग द एरिया. सबसे पहले लेट अस प्लॉट y इक्वल्स टू ln x प्लस e. हम सभी जानते हैं ln x का ग्राफ कैसे होता है. सो ln x प्लस e का ग्राफ क्या होगा. उसी ग्राफ को अगर हम माइनस e से डिस्प्लेस कर दे so the graph we will get would be the graph of ln x plus e. So for this curve asymptote would be x equals to minus e. X equals to minus e is going to be the asymptote for this curve. ये y axis को कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. x0 मतलब y equals to ln e मतलब 1,0 पे 0,1 पे और x axis को तो it is not going to it will intersect at y equals to 0 मतलब ln x plus e equals to 0 which means x equals to minus e plus 1. तो इसका ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा बनेगा. This is my point minus e plus 1,0 that is the intersection with x axis और y axis के साथ का इंटरसेक्ट करेगा 0,1 पे. So this is a curve for ln x plus e or log x plus e to the base e. And what would be the curve for x equals to ln 1 upon y. इसे हम सॉल्व करते हैं थोड़ा सा. So we get x equals to log 1 upon y. Can I write this as e to the power x equals to 1 upon y or y is equals to e to the power minus x. So this equation reduces down to y equals to e to the power minus x. और y equals to e to the power minus x का ग्राफ तो हम सभी जानते हैं. ये कर्व y एक्सिस को कहाँ इंटरसेक्ट करेगा 0,1 पे. Then we'll I put x equals to 0 तो y what I will get is 1. So this would be the curve for y equals to e to the power minus x. कुछ इस तरीके का. For this curve our x axis is going to be asymptote because when x is going to tend to infinity y will tend to 0 which means x axis is going to be asymptote for this curve. This is my curve for y equals to e to the power minus x. और हमें क्या पता करना है इन दो कर्व्स और x एक्सिस ने जो एरिया बाउंड किया है वो which means basically we have to find this area. हमें ये एरिया पता करना है. So what is going to be this area? This area would be minus e plus 1 से x equals to 0 तक हम इस वाले कर्व को कंसिडर करेंगे that is ln x plus e और 0 से लेकर इंफिनिटी तक हम ये वाले कर्व को कंसिडर करेंगे that is y equals to e to the power minus x. तो एरिया क्या होगा माइनस e प्लस 1 से लेकर कि 0 तक वी विल इंटीग्रेट फॉर ln x प्लस e इंटू डी एक्स प्लस 0 से लेके इंफिनिटी तक वी विल कंसिडर दिस कर्व विच इज e टू द पावर माइनस एक्स डी एक्स. सो इंटीग्रेट कीजिए व्हाट वी विल गेट. आई कैन चेंज द लिमिट्स हियर एज 1 to e and this would be ln x dx plus integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x dx। ln x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? ln x का इंटीग्रेशन होगा, हम इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट यूज का फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं, तो यू कैन राइट दिस इज ln x into 1 dx, so इसका इंटीग्रेशन वुड बी ln x into x minus x and the limits are 1 to 0 plus e to the power minus x dx का इंटीग्रल क्या होगा? minus e to the power minus x and the limits are from 0 to infinity. So इसको सॉल्व करेंगे and whatever value we will get is going to be the area bounded by these two curves and x axis. तो सभी को क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? हमारे पास दो कर्व्स थे और हमें इन दो कर्व्स और एक्स एक्सिस ने जो एरिया बाउंड किया है उसे पता करना था। द फर्स्ट स्टेप वाज टू ड्रॉ द कर्व्स ऑफ दीज टू इक्वेशंस, बिकॉज जब तक हम कर्व नहीं ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे हम इन लिमिट्स को नहीं निकाल पाएंगे और हम ये नहीं जान पाएंगे कि एरिया अंडर द कर्व कैसा है। सो प्लॉटिंग कर्व आई से इज द मोस्ट एसेंशियल पार्ट। अगर यहाँ गलती कर दी तो पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो ही जाएगा। सो यू हैव टू बी रियली केयरफुल while plotting the curves for these two equations. Once you plot the curve, then finding area is like a cakewalk because I know कि उसके बाद मुझे सिर्फ ये इंटीग्रेशन का फॉर्मूला ही लगाना है। So is everyone perfectly clear? How do we find area under a curve? Area bounded by two curves? How do we trace graph for any equation? Because these are the only important parts which we should know and we should understand to find area under two curves or area between any two curves. So is everyone very clear? Crystal clear with all this? Okay. So with this, our theory part of area under curve is almost completed. But as I said in the introduction of this topic, this is more of a practical application based topic. So theory part तो बहुत limited है, but practical applications काफी सारे हैं. So इसके बाद we will start our sheet discussion. और sheet discussion में we will consider lots and lots of examples based upon area under curve. And I'll say कि अगर आप शीट अच्छी तरीके से thoroughly solve कर देंगे तो you will get a really hands-on grip and experience with this topic. So just note down this problem and then we will start with our sheet discussion. So let us begin our sheet discussion. I hope सभी के पास ये sheet है. Everyone has this tutorial sheet for area under curve. So let us start solving it. Let's begin with the first question. So the first question says we have to find the area of the region bounded by the curves y equals to ex ln x and y equals to ln x upon ex. So what do you have to do in this question? We have to find the area bounded by these two curves. So what is the first step that we should follow in order to determine the area bounded by these two curves? The first step is let us first draw the graph represented by these two equations. So let us first draw a curve for y equals to ex ln x. Let us say this is my coordinate axis and let us first draw a curve for y equals to ex ln x. So is this curve symmetrical? No, it is not symmetrical for any axis or any point. Then let us see, does this passes through origin? Yes, it does because कोई constant term नहीं है. Let us find intersection with x axis and y axis. X axis के intersection के लिए I'll put y equals to 0. So I get ex ln x equals to 0, which means either x equals to 0 or ln x equals to 0, which means origin that is 0, 0 and 1, 0 are the points at which this curve intersects my x axis, क्योंकि ln x 0 मतलब x equals to 1. So इन दो point पे curve x axis को intersect करता है. What is the range for this curve? I'll say ln x के लिए what is the condition? X has to be positive. So x is positive. So 0 to infinity is the range for this curve. Let us try to find the maximum and minimum for this curve. So let us find dy by dx. So I'll have to dy by dx of, we will find d by dx of ex ln x, which is equals to e x into 1 by x plus ln x equals to 0. And when I equate it, I get x equals to 1 upon e. We will get ln x equals to -1, which means x equals to 1 upon e. Now maxima है कि minima है, इसके लिए we will find d square y by dx square at x equals to 1 upon e. इसे सॉल्व कीजिए और मुझे बताइए व्हाट विल बी गेटिंग. विल बी गेटिंग अ मैक्सिमा और अ मिनिमा हियर. If this comes out to be positive, we'll be getting a minima. If this comes out to be negative, we'll getting a maxima. या फिर हम ऐसे भी एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. मुझे बताइए जब x इंफिनिटी टेंड करेगा तो ये ग्राफ कहाँ टेंड करेगा? y वुड इवन टेंड टू इंफिनिटी प्लस इंफिनिटी. तो ये ग्राफ इंफिनिटी पे यहाँ होना चाहिए. मतलब और इसके सिर्फ दो ही रूट्स हैं तो ग्राफ मुझे इसी तरीके का ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. Which means this d square by dx square at x equals to 1 by e has to be greater than 0 because हमें x equals to 1 by e पे मिनिमा मिलेगा. And we will solve this तब भी हमें यहाँ पे मिनिमा ही मिलेगा. So where do we get the minimum of this curve is at 1 by e comma 0. Now let us draw this curve, that is y equals to ln x upon ex. उसके पहले let us do one more thing. Let us find the intersection of these two curves. So let us solve these two curves. So I get ex ln x equals to ln x upon ex, or I can write e square x square ln x minus ln x equals to 0, or ln x into e square x square minus 1 equals to 0, which means x equals to 1 or x equals to 1 upon e are the points of intersection of these two curves, which means this point and this point are the point of intersection for my these two curves. मैं इसे थोड़ा अच्छे से ड्रॉ करती हूँ. Seems to be a straight line, which it is not. So this curve would be something of this form. Exactly. Now, so what do we get? The intersection point of these two curves are x equals to 1 and x equals to 1 by e. So x equals to 1 पे my curve is at x axis and 1 by e is this point. तो इन दो पार्ट से हमारा ये वाला कर्व भी पास होता है. Now does this curve passes through origin? No, it does not. Now tell me, when x tends to 0, what is y tending to? I'll say y would be tending to minus infinity. तो और x तो इसका कर्व कुछ ऐसा होगा. If I draw the curve for this equation, it would be something of this form. Perfect. So this is my curve for y equals to ex ln x, and this is my curve for y equals to ln x upon ex. Once again, I am not telling this is going to be the exact nature of these two curves, but this is the approximate nature of these two curves. और हमें पता करना है area bounded by these two curves, which is this area. हमें इस एरिया को पता करना है. So what is going to be the formula that will apply? It would be the area bounded by the curve ex ln x minus the area bounded by the curve ln x upon ex, and the integration would be from 1 x varying from 1 by e to 1. So it would be integral x varying from 1 by e to 1 ex ln x into dx, and we will take a modulus of this because area cannot be negative, minus integral x varying from 1 by e to 1 again ln x upon ex into dx. और इसको सॉल्व करके वॉट एवर विल गेट वुड बी द एरिया बाउंड बाय दीज टू कर्व्स. सो दिस वुड बी, अगर हम इसे इंटीग्रल बाय पार्ट से सॉल्व करें तो दिस वुड बी ln x into x square by 2 minus integral 1 by x into x square by 2, which is x to the power, what we will get here is x square by 4. from 1 by e to 1 minus modulus of what would be integral of ln x upon ex? It would be ln x square by 2e, and again my x would be varying from 1 by e to 1. And whenever I will solve this, the whatever value will I get from here is going to be this area, that is the area bounded by these two curves, that is this area. So क्वेश्चन सभी को समझ में आया? इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, इट वॉज ईजी. हमें बस इन दो कर्व्स को प्लॉट करना था, लिमिट्स लगानी थी, और वी कुड फाइंड इजीली द एरिया बाउंडेड बाय दीज टू कर्व्स. So is everyone perfectly clear with this question? Okay. So note this down and let us proceed toward the second question now.